Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party on your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. And I have stock Android. On stock Android, near to the name, I have this pencil icon. You may have a line with a name, so I'm going to tap at this icon. Maybe you need to tap at the line if you have the line. And you will see the window with the name, so write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add this word. Now, the most important is to click rename to save this new name. On your phone it may be not rename but done or OK or check mark or maybe something else. So tap at the button and as you can see we just change it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!